So, I'd like to introduce my crazy buddy, Trevor. This guy completed a 980 kilometre sail on his Hobie Tandem Island, all the way from Mooloolaba up to the Whitsunday Islands. A 21-day adventure, sleeping aboard his Hobie Island, sometimes even out at sea. These are just a few highlights from his journey. He created a full-length video of it, available on YouTube. I've put it in my Hobie Adventure playlist. Trev came across all my adventure posts on the internet, and after having a look at what I was doing, thought we had a lot in common, so we decided to become mates and catch up. Trev brought Freedom Seeker up to the campsite at Inskip Point, and we set out on an adventure to try and get all the way from Inskip down to Kincan Bay. We always come across a lot of dugongs around this area, but they're very hard to catch on film. We were having a bloody good time until the mast snapped.
Okay, I'll have to untie the furling line.
This is just the nature of going on adventures. Things always go wrong. You've always got to be ready for it, and you've always got to have backup plans and safety precautions in place. These are the kinds of situations where the islands come into their own. With two kinds of backup propulsion, pedalling and paddling, there's always a way to get back when you run into trouble. A replacement carbon fibre mast would cost a small fortune, so we were puzzling over ways to fix the mast. But Trev is an ex-veterinarian, and he ended up deciding to fix the mast exactly the same way he'd splint the leg of the broken leg of an animal, and his plan worked really well. So Aki was keen to try out the much larger Tandem Island and see how comfortable it was, see how much she liked sailing on it. So we headed out and went out and had a look at some dugongs and then cruised over to Fraser Island. We got a really good workout together, pedalling up the coast of Fraser Island, checking out the scenery and enjoying the beautiful weather. If you enjoy this kind of positive adventure content, please like, subscribe, and check out a few of these other adventures.